welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross GR, a model that's making waves with its impressive blend of style, performance, and practicality. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Corolla Cross GR sports a sleek, aggressive design that sets it apart from the standard model. The front fascia features a bold grille with a honeycomb pattern flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that give it a fierce look. The lower bumper has been redesigned to enhance aerodynamics, and the sculpted hood adds to its sporty appeal. On the sides, you'll notice the 18-inch alloy wheels, side skirts, and prominent character lines that run from the front tires to the rear, giving the vehicle a dynamic stance. The rear end is equally striking with LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and a dual exhaust system that hints at the power under the hood. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Corolla Cross GR is just as impressive. The cabin is designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring a sporty steering wheel with paddle shifters, a digital instrument cluster, and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in premium materials with gray-specific branding and red stitching that adds a touch of sportiness. There's ample space for both front and rear passengers, and the panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness. Practicality hasn't been forgotten, with plenty of storage compartments and a spacious cargo area that can handle your daily needs. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Cross GR is powered by a turbocharged 2.0 liter inline-4 engine that delivers an impressive 250 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The suspension has been tuned for a sportier feel with stiffer springs and dampers, as well as a lower ride height to improve handling and stability. The Corolla Cross GR also comes with upgraded brakes to ensure confident stopping power. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross GR is expected to start at around $35,000, making it a competitive option in the sporty compact subsegment. With its blend of aggressive styling, well-appointed interior, and engaging performance, the Corolla Cross GR is a standout choice for those looking for a bit more excitement in their daily drive. That's it for our review of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross GR. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Corolla Cross GR and if there's any other car you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.